Might be in a situation where for some reason your Beats headphones are just not working. Now, what does this mean? Well, maybe your headphones that you recently just bought, they're maybe not working, maybe the songs aren't playing, or maybe they're not even turning on. The first thing we'd recommend doing is to go through and double check the battery life associated with these headphones. A lot of the times you might just have like a random issue with your battery life. So, what you can try doing is to go through and just double check that battery life. Just make sure your battery life is good and even just plug them in and charge them. That could be another very easy thing you can do here to kind of fix this problem. Now, another thing you can kind of do here too is just to kind of do a little quick little reset. You can hold down the power button and the volume down button for about 10 seconds. So the power button, volume down button for about 10 seconds. You want to see if that ends up fixing the problem, which for some people that might end up doing it for you. What you can also do is if it's still not working, it's still causing you lots of issues, on your iPhone or Android or PC, whatever you have, you can go through and you can disconnect these headphones completely from your device and give it a few seconds and you can repair them. And that could be another really easy thing you can do here that can kind of end up fixing this problem as well. For my, particular situation, usually that ends up working. That's another thing I'd recommend doing. And if that's not working, you can also try double checking that power button you have here, making sure there's no issues there. And you can also try repairing your particular iPhone or Android, like I mentioned before. So those are pretty much the main ways to do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.